Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with new scholarship video and it's from Sweden. It's a fully funded scholarship in Sweden from Mälareden University and it's for the session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss full details about this scholarship and we'll show you live application process and step by step guide on how to apply and how to get scholarship, how to fill admission scholarship, how to fill admission form and then scholarship form, and we'll show you how to submit that as well. We will discuss in a detail, but before that, let me remind you, if you are not subscribed our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also press the like button so that we can encourage to do more. You want to If you want to get the link for this scholarship, please check the video description below. Link is given in video description below. Just check description. Link is given in the top. Click on that link. It will take you to our website here. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is for scholarships. So you can check the link given in Instagram bio. It's also for scholarships. Also, you can watch our Instagram story, or you can message us or comment down the below video and just comment down if you need anything. If you have any doubt, please watch full video so that you cannot later find difficulties in applying to this Sweden scholarship. Just click the link given in the video description. You can also watch our previous videos. Their links are given in their respective descriptions. You can apply to these scholarships as well, whichever you are applied to, whichever you are eligible to. So once you click on that link, it will take you to this website here. We have curated details for you so that you can understand easily what is needed and what steps are to be taken. So here you can check brief description. It's for the international students to study from selected countries in Switzerland, and it's for the master's program. So your master's program in this university must be first choice to get the scholarship. So it's a Mälareden, uh, Mälar Mälardalen University. What the pronunciation is in your language, so you can read it according to yours. So master's degree and number of scholarships varies per course. So it's targeted for international students and it's a 100% scholarship. It covers everything and there is a simple eligibility criteria, and here you can check the countries especially you can have scholarships for. So if you are from one of these countries, so you have very high chances of getting this scholarship. Then instructions are given there. So you have to fill the application form for scholarship and then admission form, and then upload that scholarship form to the admission portal. We will show you that, and I think we have covered almost everything. Now to apply, just click on this yellow apply button here given at the end of this page. Just click on that. Once you click on that, it will take you to Mälardalen University in Sweden. Here you can check scholarship details. For this program, it's particularly mentioned here, so you must be a first choice at this university. Then you can check application form for MDU scholarship. Show document. Click on this document here. Once you click on that document, it will download this application PDF application. So you can download it also. So after downloading, you can fill the details, your first name, last name. Just keep it filled. Then last name, date of birth, and then application number. So I will show you this application number. You need to keep it blank and fill the other details mentioned below. So you should answer all the questions except this application number. I will show you what is this application number, where we have to get this. Rest you have to fill complete details and then keep it here. So now let's go to back to this page here. So now you can read your first in this first choice. You can check that it's mentioned deadlines within this. Link is given here, admissions.se. This is an official government website for study in Sweden. So here you can check university admissions.se. Just click within this link here. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the official website of Sweden government where you can find any courses, any universities, and then study on. The easiest way to have the login is just click on this login button on the top right. Click on that login button here. Once you click on that login button, it will show this page in front of you. So If you have previously logged in, if you have previously watched our videos, you know how to do this sign in. And but if you are watching this video for the first time, before I show you sign up, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Now click on this create an account button here. Once you click on create an account, you have to fill these details. So do you have a Swedish number? Say no. And then fill the first name, last name, date of birth, gender, address, postcode, your country, mobile number, email address, and then confirm this password, email and password. This is very important. Keep this note on your pen, on your notebook. And then third party access, you have to fill only these details once. Rest in the application form, you don't need to submit these again. Just fill them correctly one by one. Once you have your email and the password, use the same email and the password here. So once you have the same email and the password, just click on login button. Let's wait for the page to load. So here you can check. We have applications here. Now to begin with a new application, just click on my selection. Once you are on this page, you have, if you are logging on this for the first time, you will have no applications. Just click on this find courses and programs. Now scroll down and in the universities section, select here, choose the Malarated University. As we are showing you scholarship for this, now here you can check university, tick that. Now you can check courses here, sort the courses by the masters, select by masters. Now you can check courses here. Once you have found your courses, like I have here environment engineering, I will select that. Just now course selected, just click on my selection. Now scroll down on the top, on this bottom right, you can check start application, click on start application. Now you can check this application number, copy this application number here, copy this application number, go to that form that we have downloaded, this form, and then paste the application number here. So your application is now ready for scholarships to be sent. Now we need to go to the applications here. Now you can check, we need to fill this, select one, then click on continue. So first priority on this university, that's how we get scholarship. Second step is submit application. Now select the application fee. Other, if you don't want to pay fee, you can skip that and then click on submit. You can request a waiver from the university. Now third confirmation, just scroll down, say OK, and your application will be submitted. You here you can check application is successfully submitted. So unless you have the application fee, your, so you can check this here, application is our complete Malada University. So application sent. So now you need to pay fees and other details. So click on my pages, go to messages. So you should receive other messages soon from the Uppsala University. So wait for the messages. So this is our old messages. So we should wait for the messages. Till then, go to documents. Now complete documents, English proficiency, ID proofs, certificate, diplomas and transcripts. Then master's document requires. You can click here and then submit. Once you have your document submitted here, you need to upload this certificate also. This scholarship certificate should be also attached in the same document section. So once you receive the email, you can check other steps. So once you receive your message or email regarding submission of other documents, till then you need to upload this document here, the documents of scholarship form, this scholarship form that we have downloaded from here, from the first page, and then upload the documents. All documents you must upload. So you can check type of documents, other documents. So in other documents you should upload scholarship document also, and then upload all the documents, and then your application is submitted. So you should also pay the application fee if you don't want to waiver. So if you want to request a waiver, you can submit request to the university. When they provide the coupon code, you can use that and you can have exemption from the fee. So I think that's enough for today, and hope you have learned this, how to apply, how to fill application, and how to fill this scholarship form. All you need to do is just once you have this application ready, all you need to is do Just go upload documents and upload this document as well for scholarship. And I think it's sufficient for today. If you are watching this video and have liked this video, if you are still in doubt in studying in Sweden for free, please message us on Instagram. Our username is full scholarship, or just comment down below the video. To get to this opportunity link, scholarship link is given in video description below. Please click on that link and you will get all details. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.